Hello everyone, my name is Vince. Welcome back to another Scam Exposure app. Guys, today we are playing one of the dumbest apps I think I've seen in quite a long time. And do you want to know why? Do you want to know why I'm calling this a dumb app? Because what the problem is here, everyone, okay? This app promised real life money when I first played it for the video about 5 minutes ago. I closed the app down, right? And then the money's gone now. Like, there's no more money. You can still win real life prizes, but you still can't win money for some reason. I don't know what has happened. I literally have video evidence that the money was there, but now the tab for money is gone. It's been 5 minutes, dude, and the money is gone. I don't know what has happened. I don't know how the app developers are able to do this. It really sketches me out. It's almost like certain countries will have that disabled for them. I don't know. I really don't know, everyone. You have to have a look. Like, I've got video evidence. Here, check this out quickly. As you can see, this was literally shot 5 minutes ago. I'm wearing the same clothes, everything's the same. I have a drink here still. Like, something's not right, man. I don't know what to tell you. It's the most weirdest thing I've ever seen. But either way, this game... okay, thanks for that app. I appreciate the ads out of nowhere, you scrubs. Anyway, this game is a direct copy of Lucky Toss 3D. I'm thoroughly invested in the thought of this app has been developed by the same developers as Lucky Toss 3D as well, to scam you guys out of your time to watch their advertisements, okay? So, why I say that is because it has the exact same prize center as Lucky Toss 3D. I kid you not, I'm pretty sure this is a direct copy of Lucky Toss 3D's prize center. We have problems here, guys, okay? We have big problems. Google, look at this, hang on, look at this. At the bottom of the screen, read this. Google is not involved in any way with this activity. Yeah, that's because you're scammers. That's why. Okay, I just spun the wheel and I forgot you have to watch an ad to do that. Here we go, hang on. Let's watch this lady. Here we go, watch this actor. This is going to be good. Oh, here we go, I'm watching. Alright, she got a 0. She got a 0 for performance there. The actor just didn't even care. Literally pulled up a whale, but didn't care at all. But she was jumping over the little fish. I really cannot stand actors on the ads, guys. Anyway, besides the point, we just did the lucky wheel then. Wasted my time. Anyway, so you get the same amount of ring tosses as well. You can get 5 large rings, which is exactly what Lucky Toss 3D gives you. There is no doubt in my mind that this app is legitimately Lucky Toss 3D, but with better graphics. That's all it is, guys. It's such a scam, and it makes me so angry that Google even allows apps like this. I mean, I say in every video, how long can we tolerate this stuff on the Play Store? All this is, right, is an app that's meant to kill time, okay, which is fine. Don't get me wrong, I'm not hating on anyone that plays this app for the fun of it. I'm hating on the app because it tricks people into thinking they're going to win real life money. And morally, that's not correct, everyone, okay? You just can't do that. Why is that allowed, dude? How is that allowed? Number one. And then we got this phishing app. I already reviewed this on my channel, by the way. It's the biggest scam ever. Again, it has the puzzle piece. Stupid prize system, dude. Look at this. Yeah, let's win an iPhone 11 Pro from phishing on an app. I love it. Absolutely love it. Get off my screen, scrubs. As you can tell, I'm getting angry, dude. I'm angry. I'm actually angry with apps like this. You think how strong and strict Google is on YouTube creators. Like, I can't swear. I can't say anything negative in the sense of, like, you know, swearing, or I can't show me drinking alcohol, but they allow scam apps that generate millions of dollars. Do you know what I mean? Just because I don't generate millions of dollars for them, they'll ban me or tell me off or take down my videos for swearing. You know, it's just hilarious. It is hilarious. It's hypocrisy, dude. So you have no idea how bad I feel for the people in my comments. Like, I get comments every day of people telling me how much months they invested into an app for it not to pay them. Do you know how sad that is? And you have people that are saying they're affected by the virus. It's just... I don't want to give you guys the sad story, because then you'll feel sad as well. But just listen to me. These apps need to be taken down. It's a fact, dude. They're preying on innocent people. They're preying on people that are desperate for money, and they're loving it. They're making all the ad revenue, bro. They're loving every minute of it, okay? I was about to say, I had a prompt to get more money if I watch an ad, but it just plays an ad for me anyway. That's how they make their money, everyone. They force ads down your throat. It's just disgusting. It's disgusting app play. It's just... I got no words for it, man. I can't swear. I can't swear, everyone. I'll get in trouble. But it just makes me very angry, okay? Blatantly Lucky Toss 3D clone. like blatantly. If you guys have ever played Lucky Toss 3D, you'll know this is exactly the same game, just with better graphics, okay? Reviews are infuriating. The fact that people have been subjected to such pure scams and seeing their reviews is hilarious to me. Because not only does it infuriate me that they got ripped off, but it makes me laugh at how angry they get. Because it's about time these developers get a taste of their medicine. Not that they actually read the reviews, everyone. Let's be real. The developers don't read their reviews for their apps. Why would they? All they would do is upload their app onto the Play Store. They let it sit there, and they put ads on it so it goes to you guys when you're playing other games, okay? They're hoping you download their game and play it. Dude, get off my screen. Look at this absolute muppet of the earth. No, I gotta be careful. I gotta be careful here. Look at him. Look at him, dude. I just can't. I can't. I gotta be careful. I can't. I'll get too angry, bro, and I'll get taken off. No way. There's so much stuff I want to say. I just can't. Trying to be PG here, guys. I can't believe there's an ad of someone eating food playing a Plinko app. I mean, what kind of life do I live, bro? What are we like? What is Google doing to us? Oh no, I just can't, man. It just spins me out. I needed that laugh, everyone. I'm feeling sad. I got my nice beverage here just to try and keep me through the hard times now of playing this disgusting scammy app. But we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna win. Let's go. Let's see what we're gonna win today, everyone. Let's find out. What's the daily reward today? Oh my god, man! It's a freaking phone piece. Let me guess. I have to watch an ad? No. Okay. Good. What's the point of me winning coins, bro? There's no point of coins. Where's the real life money? They're taking it away from me. They knew I was going to drill them on it. Well, too bad. I got video footage of your stupid real life money scams as well. Oh, bro. What a time to be alive, everyone. You have app developers copying their own apps under other different names. My hoop just disappeared then completely, but that's okay, game. I appreciate that, bro. What do you say, everyone? If you were me right now, what would you do? Like, if you had the power to go review scam apps, I mean, what would you say? Would you be beating around the bush? No, you'd be the same as me. Like, look at this, man. I'm just playing and get an ad pop up every 30 seconds now. The stupid fishing one again. I'm so happy I reviewed that app. It's so bad. Fancy fishing is so bad, bro. You'd do what I'm doing right now, right? You'd be angry. Because why wouldn't you? They're scam apps. There's no defense for it. There's what evidence I'm going to give you guys other than the real life players reviews. I'm not sitting through this trash. Are you kidding me? I had some comments saying I need to sit through and get to all the way to the end of the cash out value and then show the scam. Are you crazy? I'm not sitting here for months playing this pathetic game. Anyway, I'm getting revved up. This is me angry. I'm getting angry, dude. I'm laughing because I'm trying not to swear. Anyway, besides the point. I will catch you all in the next video. I'm done with Toss 'em All. It's a pathetic app. I hope it gets banned. You're not going to win jack off it. I was about to swear again. You're not going to win anything off it. So please don't play it. It's a joke. And the real life money thing, I don't know where it went. I have no idea where the money system went. Dude, there was like a lottery system as well. There was a dividend system. It was so weird, but now it's gone. I literally had it on the screen. I closed the app down and it's gone. Stay safe out there, guys. Check out my other content for other scam review videos. Just got another ad. It's some absolute muppet of the earth pulling out the wads of fake cash. You're a legend. Emoji Riddler. I've got to play that maybe. Anyway, see you next time, guys. Catch you around.